All right, taking a look at problem number 4. A florist has 30 tulips and 75 roses. If the florist wants to create individual bouquets with any leftover flowers, what is the greatest number of bouquets the florist can make? All right, so I've read through the problem once, and again, I just want to make sure I understand what is the question and what is it asking in here. So what is the greatest number of bouquets the florist can make? What is the greatest number of bouquets the florist can make? So the florist is going to make some bouquets. I want to know how many they can make with the given number of flowers. Okay, so I'm going to read through this one more time and highlight some things. So a florist has 30 tulips and 75 roses. So those are the flowers that they have total. If a florist wants to create identical bouquets, okay, without any leftover flowers, so that means they want to use the same number of tulips and the same number of roses, what is the greatest number of bouquets the florist can make? Okay, all right, so I have now read it twice. And so just some of my important information. I have the 30 tulips and the 75 roses. So I'm just labeling that. Okay. Going back to the question, it has this word greatest in it. What is the greatest number of bouquets? So if we see that word greatest in there, that would be telling us greatest common factor. So hopefully that's what you said, and then you got that correct. So now I'm going to take the greatest common factor of 30 and 75. So it looks like 5 goes into both of these. So 30 divided by 5 would be 6. 75 divided by 5 would be 15. And 6 and 15, they both have 3 in them. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 2 and 5, it does not look like anything goes in them other than 1, and I'm done. And so when I hit 1, I'm done. I'm looking for my greatest number. So my greatest number is going to be 5 and the 3. So 5 times 3 is going to take me to 15. But our answer is not 15. We have to remember our label. So 15 bouquets. Okay, so make sure you're really understanding what is that question that they're asking. Look for those keywords that would mean the same as least common multiple or greatest common factor. So in this case, greatest works, smallest, what is the tiniest number? Okay, things like that are going to be least. Greatest would be the largest. What else? Biggest. Things like that. Okay? All right. See ya.